a wide variety of applications that you can think about that go around a data scientist. And almost any field nowadays require data scientists, require like a technical effort to become in, right? So if you think about like in any like hospital settings, or like you said, like sports or any field that you think about, they require data scientists to move forward. Right? Companies have huge amount of data nowadays, right? And with that huge amount of data, you need somebody to like utilize that data, right? They weren't capable of doing that before, and now that there's new technologies, you can do that, right? So it's basically gathering and utilizing the information, churning some information, getting it, and deriving insights from it is what a data scientist would do, right? And it's kind of like slightly different between an academic setting, if you want to be like more research oriented, as opposed to a work setting, right, where you really need to know that something that you're building out could be very complex, but how can you actually like translate that to your clients, right? So that's where you kind of like know the balance. So it works a little different there. But in terms of like a data scientist, there's a lot of things to learn, and a lot of places that you can apply your knowledge. You need to be really good at like application, needing to know like different technologies, working with like cloud space or other analytical softwares. But basically, a data scientist can needs to know like a lot of statistics, but machine learning backgrounds as well, right? So how do different models run, and what are kind of like the limitations and positive points for a particular model. And I would say like you should know basically how you can translate, not necessarily going for the more complex model, going for like simple models that you can give to your clients and make them understand what it is.